going into present, I'm using that, the number, let me see what you call it on here. Yeah, the presentation, the employment enrollment is number 4 right on here.
Gotcha. So that's the one that you're using when you go to speak to the employees. And how long is your average employee presentation?
It takes about, if they are going to give me the time, then it takes me from front to end 12 minutes to be able to get done that presentation and to start opening it up for questions. Obviously, questions, if we're doing it within that setting, depending on what time they give me and being able to get their application signed at the back of the room, that may kind of extend the time a little bit more. But generally speaking, I'm comfortable at 12 minutes.
At 12 minutes, and that's presenting both the legal plan and ID Shield. Folks, by doing
and member perks.
And member perks. I mean, you have to know your stuff, right? It's just when you listen to these speakers and experts and trainers, folks, 12 minutes is not a lot of time. So you have to be on point, right? And getting paperwork signed. Hey, all three, Kathy, James,